Hello my friends, and welcome back to Restaurant Recipe Recreations. This channel is dedicated to teaching you how to create your favorite signature dishes from the most popular restaurants. And of course, you already know from the title and the thumbnail that in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to recreate BUCA di Beppo's spicy chicken rigatoni. The BUCA di Beppo restaurant chain is a very fun, upscale, Italian-American concept where most of their dishes are served family style. Personally, that's my favorite way to entertain at home. My dining room table seats 12, and there's nothing that I love more than to see a whole table full of people with food in the center and everybody just laughing and enjoying what they like. So let me share with you a little bit about what's in this dish, and then I'm going to teach you how to recreate the recipe. The spicy chicken rigatoni from BUCA di Beppo is al dente rigatoni pasta. It's grilled chicken, and then it's all finished in what they call a rosa sauce. And a rosa sauce is a very simple yet spicy marinara and a simple Alfredo sauce. And they combine the two pretty much equal parts to make, like I said, what they call a rosa sauce. And then at the end, it's all tossed together with green peas, and it's delicious. What makes this dish spicy is the red pepper flakes that's used in the marinara portion of the rosa sauce. And what's great about that is that you can adjust the level of spice to your own personal tastes. If you want a little bit of spice, you can just put a little bit less of the red pepper flake in there. And if you want to ramp it up to fire engine red like we do in this house, then add as much of the red pepper flake as you and your family like. We're going to start by grilling the chicken breast first, and then I'm going to show you how to make the marinara and the Alfredo, and then at the end we're going to combine all of the ingredients together to make this delicious chicken pasta entree. But before we do, I would like to ask that if you're enjoying this channel, if I'm bringing you value by teaching you how to recreate your favorite signature dishes and recipes from the most popular restaurants, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. I enjoy the time that I spend with you. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up and write a comment in the comment section below. So let's get started by grilling off our chicken. I have here 4 5-ounce chicken breasts that I'm going to season with just a little bit of cracked black pepper and some kosher salt. To grill my chicken, I'm going to be using my indoor grill pan from All Clad. I love this pan. I use it all the time for indoor grilling, of course. If you want to grill your chicken on the outdoor grill, feel free to do that, but I'm going to use my indoor grill pan. This pan is non-stick, but I'm still going to hit it with a little bit of cooking spray just for some added easy cleanup. I'm going to put the seasoned side down first so that I can easily season the other side. And now that I have the unseasoned chicken side up, I'll go ahead and season that as well. A little bit of kosher salt and cracked black pepper. As I said earlier, each one of these is 5 ounces, so I'm going to let my chicken go about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You may need to adjust the time spent on the grill for your chicken depending on how large your chicken breast is. Now that our chicken is grilled and resting, let's go ahead and start on the marinara aspect of the rosa sauce. Using a small saucepan, put your heat on a medium heat. When your pan heats up, drizzle 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into the bottom of the pan. Next, add 2 tablespoons of minced or grated fresh garlic. Make sure to move the garlic around in the pan so that it doesn't burn. And once you start to smell that fragrant garlic smell, you're going to add your can of crushed tomatoes. And 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flake. As I mentioned, if you want to kick up the heat on this dish a little bit more, go ahead and add more red pepper flake according to your personal taste. Now just bring this very simple marinara to a slow simmer and let it reduce slightly. Once the marinara has reduced by about 25%, take it off the heat and set it to the side. And then we're going to prepare the Alfredo aspect of the rosa sauce. Moving on to the Alfredo sauce, you're going to want to get yourself a much larger pan, because not only are we going to make the Alfredo in this pan, we're going to finish the entire dish in this pan. So we'll be adding back in the chicken and then of course the pasta and the peas. So get yourself a much larger pan. If you've seen any of my other videos, you'll definitely recognize my old friend here, this pan. I love this pan just about more than anything. There's a link to purchase this pan on Amazon in the description bar below. Put your pan on a medium heat and then melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Keep the butter moving around in the pan because you only want the butter to be melted. You don't want the butter to brown, and certainly you don't want it to burn either. Once the butter has melted completely, you're going to add 16 ounces or 1 pint of a heavy whipping cream. To this mixture, you're going to grate some fresh nutmeg. And that comes out to be 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Add some fresh cracked black pepper, the juice of 1/2 of a lemon, and 1 cup of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. And then just stir it slowly until all of the Parmesan cheese has melted. Okay, my friends, the marinara is ready, the Alfredo is ready, the chicken has been grilled. So let's go ahead and slice up the chicken into nice bite-sized strips. And then just add the chicken into the pot with the Alfredo sauce. And now to add your pasta. This is a 1-pound box of rigatoni that has been cooked to al dente according to the box instructions in salted water. Next, you'll want to take your spicy marinara and add that to the pan as well. And now just add 1 cup of frozen peas. And then you just mix it all together thoroughly. This is why I mentioned to get a nice big pot for the Alfredo, because there's just a lot going on in this, and you want to make sure that you've got the space to mix everything together thoroughly. And now the final thing is just to serve it up and enjoy. This should serve about 4 people. I tell you what, this rosa sauce is delicious. It combines the best of both worlds. It's for the Alfredo lovers and it's for the marinara lovers, and it just brings everybody at the table together and everyone's happy. Can't beat that, right? All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy all of my videos. If you have a restaurant or a recipe that you would like me to feature, go ahead and drop it in the comments section. I promise you that I write every single request down. I'll see you back here again soon, but until I do, make it an awesome, awesome day. Cheers, I love y'all. It's that rosa sauce. It's fantastic.